Superfluous. Like flu, the past tense. Superfluous. So us. Your turn. Good. Superfluous. This means exceeding what is necessary, excessive or redundant. And notice again, once you're at this level, even the definitions have really good words. So make sure you're reading the definitions out loud, getting the mouth muscles accustomed to reading words at this level. Now, for the example, her explanations were concise and to the point, avoiding superfluous information. This is fantastic because this also helps me remind you that American communication is very concise. I've mentioned this before in other videos that I've made about leadership communication, but even conversationally, Americans tend to talk in bullet points. We always try to do the main point first and then the details. And this is the opposite to other cultures like Spanish speakers. A lot of European cultures and Asian cultures are similar in that it's all about the story and the detail first and then the main point. So it takes a while to practice flipping that. Get to the point first and then details. You don't want to have any superfluous information. Let's try this again. Her explanations were concise and to the point, avoiding superfluous information. This is designed to help you really understand how to look, feel, and sound more confident, how to refine your American accent, and how to communicate in a way that is genuine to you. If all of this sounds like something that's interesting to you, welcome, and let's get started right now.